Hold on to your hats, folks, because the robots are here. Yes, you heard that right. The future we've been dreaming about, or perhaps dreading, is now our reality. Robots and artificial intelligence are no longer just the stuff of science fiction. They're here, and they're transforming our world in ways we never imagined. Okay, not exactly robots walking around taking our coffee orders, yet, but the impact of AI is undeniable. Imagine walking into your favorite coffee shop and seeing a robot barista whipping up your latte. It might sound far-fetched now, but we're closer to that reality than you might think. But let's talk about something that's already happening. Artificial intelligence is changing how we apply for jobs. Big time. Gone are the days when job applications were a tedious manual process. Now, AI is stepping in to streamline and enhance the way we present ourselves to potential employers. Remember the days of agonizing over resumes and cover letters? Spending hours trying to find the perfect words to describe your skills and experience? It was a daunting task that often left us feeling frustrated and overwhelmed. Well, AI tools are now helping job seekers polish those applications like pros. These advanced systems can analyze your resume, suggest improvements, and even help you tailor your application to specific job postings. It's like having a personal career coach at your fingertips. Think Grammarly, but for your entire resume. Sounds great, right? These tools can catch errors, suggest better phrasing, and ensure that your resume stands out from the crowd. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make a strong impression in the job market. But wait, there's a catch. While AI can be incredibly helpful, it's not without its drawbacks. For one, there's the issue of privacy. When you use these tools, you're often required to share a lot of personal information. This data can be stored, analyzed, and potentially used in ways you might not be comfortable with. It's important to read the terms and conditions carefully and understand what you're agreeing to. Additionally, there's the question of accuracy. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, and those mistakes can have real consequences. For example, if an AI tool misinterprets your experience or skills, it could lead to missed job opportunities. It's crucial to review and double-check any AI-generated content before submitting it. In the end, AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. By understanding its strengths and limitations, you can leverage AI to enhance your job search and increase your chances of success. The robots are coming, and they're here to help, but it's up to us to use them wisely. Here's the thing. AI is a double-edged sword. It's a tool that can be incredibly powerful, but it also comes with its own set of challenges and complexities. On the one hand, it helps job seekers put their best foot forward. AI-driven tools can optimize resumes, tailor cover letters, and even provide insights into the types of roles that might be a good fit based on one's skills and experience. This can be a game changer for many, especially those who might not have the resources to hire professional career coaches or resume writers. On the other hand, it means employers are drowning in a sea of perfectly crafted applications. With AI tools making it easier for candidates to present themselves in the best possible light, the volume of high-quality applications has skyrocketed. This can make the hiring process even more daunting for recruiters, who now have to sift through an overwhelming number of seemingly perfect candidates. This creates a whole new challenge. How do employers separate the wheat from the chaff when everyone's application looks amazing? Traditional methods of screening candidates might not be as effective in this new landscape. Recruiters may need to rely on more sophisticated AI tools themselves to analyze and rank applications, looking for subtle differences and unique qualities that set the best candidates apart. So while AI might seem like a magic bullet for job seekers, it's not a guaranteed win. The job market becomes more competitive, and standing out requires more than just a polished resume. Candidates need to be prepared for the possibility that their applications might still get lost in the shuffle. They should focus on building a strong personal brand, networking, and continuously improving their skills to stay ahead of the curve. In the end, AI is just one piece of the puzzle in the complex world of job hunting and recruitment. Here's where us humans still have the upper hand. AI might be great at making resumes look pretty, but it can't replicate good old-fashioned human skills. Think communication, teamwork, problem solving, those things that make you a good colleague and a valuable asset to a team. Employers are craving these skills, my friends. So while you're busy polishing your resume, don't forget to work on your human skills too. Cisco's big bet AI and cybersecurity. Speaking of AI, let's talk about Cisco. This tech giant has been a household name in the industry for decades, known for its innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology. You know, the tech giant, Cisco has always been at the forefront of technological advancements. And now they're making a significant move into the realm of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. They're going all in on AI and cybersecurity. This isn't just a minor shift, it's a massive strategic pivot. Cisco is investing heavily in developing AI-driven cybersecurity solutions to protect against the ever-evolving landscape of digital threats. We're talking big investments, folks. Cisco is pouring billions of dollars into research and development, acquiring startups, and hiring top talent in the field. They believe that AI is the key to staying ahead of cyber criminals and ensuring the security of their clients' data. But here's the twist. They're also laying off thousands of employees. This move has raised eyebrows and sparked debates within the industry. While Cisco is focusing on the future, it's also making tough decisions that affect its workforce. It's a classic case of out with the old, in with the new. The company is restructuring to align with its new strategic goals, which means letting go of employees whose roles are no longer aligned with their vision. Cisco is betting big on the future, but it comes at a cost for some workers. The transition is challenging, but the company believes that these changes are necessary to remain competitive in the fast-paced tech industry. As they embrace AI and cybersecurity, Cisco aims to lead the charge in creating a safer digital world for everyone. Tech layoffs, a sign of the times? Cisco isn't alone. Other tech giants are also trimming their workforces. It's a tough reality. As technology advances, some jobs become obsolete. But hey, before you panic, remember this. With every job lost, new opportunities emerge. Skills up. The future is now. The key is to stay ahead of the curve. That means constantly learning and adapting to the ever-changing job market. Think of it like upgrading your phone's operating system. You got to keep up with the latest version to stay in the game. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and learn new skills. Don't forget to network. And while you're at it, don't underestimate the power of networking. Remember, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. So get out there, meet people, and build those connections. You never know where they might lead you.